The following message is transmitted at the request at the New York City Emergency Management. The New York City Police Department is directing all residents of New York City to evacuate New York City immediately. A strange demonic and lava-like creature has been spotted by the New York City Police Department. The police department, as well as the New York Emergency Management, has identified this creature named Iblis. This creature has been identified to have some sort of power to cause mass destruction, known as the Iblis trigger. As a result, this powerful mass destruction caused by Iblis cannot be stopped. This power will cause New York City to look like as if it was the end of the world. If you do not choose to evacuate, you'll risk your life with death. Stay tuned to updates on your local media outlets for more information. This is an all-clear message. The evacuation order that was issued yesterday has expired. The fires, lava, and the natural disasters in the New York City area have cleared up. However, the city of New York is still dangerous and travel should remain being avoided at all costs due to the ground fissures caused by the Iblis trigger. Normal programming will now resume.